Hi guys, welcome to another Sarness English Quiz video. There are 10 questions in total and you have 5 seconds to answer each one. You may pause the video if you need more time. So let's see how good you can take them. Choose the correct spelling. Question number 1. He looked a little embarrassed. And B was the correct answer. Question number 2. My brother's English pronunciation is terrible. And the correct answer was B. Question number 3. I wasn't referring to that. And A was the correct answer. Question number 4. She has a rather masculine voice. And as you answered, the correct one was D. Question number 5. I'm suing you for harassment. And the correct answer was B. Question number 6. Monica suffered from an irreversible loss of vision. And excellent, the correct answer was A. Question number 7. Harry has tried to increase the speed and accuracy of his throws. Good job, the correct answer was B. Question number 8. Dumbbell exercises Mike's toned muscles. And the correct answer was C. Number 9. The story contained some awkward writing. And the correct answer was D. And the last question, number 10. Don't hesitate to call if there is a problem. And the correct answer was A. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.